I got this.
What are you doing?
Because you can face representative.
Are you crazy?
Stay behind me.
What? Hey, you don't.
I got this. Get behind me.
Don't do it.
Get behind me.
It's a bad idea.
Oh!
Shit. Oh my gosh, are you okay?